Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 26 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. In this movie, we're just going to look very quickly at how we can be more organized with our assets inside of an InDesign document. Because if you're anything like me, you might have the assets that you use for different things spread across different drives on your machine, and then you need to bring everything together either to share with somebody else or just in the interests of being tidy. Well, there's a very quick way to do that in InDesign. If I go to the links panel, I've got quite a few links inside of this very small document, but they are from different places and different drives on my machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of those by clicking the last one and shift clicking the top one, and then going to the panel flyout at the top right, clicking there, down to utilities and choosing copy links to. And then all we need to do is determine which folder they're going into. Well, I have some assets already inside of this folder, so I'm going to bring the copies into this folder. And what it will do is work out that if the file already exists in here, it won't copy it. So you're not going to end up with a whole bunch of duplicates. And that's it. That's your Shuriken skill for this week to practice. Don't forget, if you want to learn more even faster, then check out my courses on lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning. Please do subscribe to the channel and feedback to me either here or via Facebook or Twitter. But for now, we're done, and I'll see you next Monday for another Shuriken Skills episode. See ya.